Yes.
Tell me say Aminu, they even they call at least they go tell me say my brother they come for village oh. So he not tell me ayo days as Aminu come with back. So as he come I come greet am normal I think say na visit he come see visit he go back to village. Na wetin he do but this time around I no know say not be visit na my children he come carry. So
I say, I bet not vessel. That time we can carry your children. How many years they did? The first one, the second one.
okay, the first one they like the first one they like 3 years,
Okay.
3 years, I think 4 years. Where the other one they 1 year and
Okay. I say, I bet not vessel. I don't remember everything finish. You don't talk this place. The place we call say, you way you call the follow back, they send them money. Now there we leave and you just come. My now my break come back. You say, Papa, come they collect their money for hand.
yes.
Uh,
Therefore, now, but when you talk just maybe I think say you want make start for that
no,
place.
not start again because the place Ekenake Dere.
Or
Now miss yesterday, na I miss. Now where we for live on, I just want go.
yeah. So when my pikin come tell me say if we send money give them, say if papa go collect the money, weekend he go carry dem go
Then
him
go.
the uncle side. You understand? If
They come
money
use carry better hook up.
so now I come buy the phone so that me I take dey call dem make we take dey talk secretly. So if the papa comot for house, then I go dey me and dem go dey talk, I go dey send the money. So and when me come take dey send the money, me I come dey talk say if papa no know. So the my
Mm.
pikin come dey try to take that advantage of I dey send money give dem, if papa no dey e no dey know. So e wan take that advantage for me and me myself no still care based on e don tey wey I don still live there. Oh but this your abolo abeg you put ororo no
I
vex.
find pass some people get a boyfriend though. I still do pass some people get for your boyfriend. You not see her, so you want before you do something. Me I show you. Me don't make her say laugh now. You not see her. Now let me what they do. I beg. Rambo flash me for this Chris tomorrow. Make they don't say day body. Oh.
I say your mouth no good o. Not Apoyi na fine guy sha na fine guy but this your abolo you come get
Yeah. Your guy do pass me. I
yes.
thought. Oh.
I see am I
Mo
see
see
am.
how you talk reach.
Hmm?
Mo see how you talk reach now.
You see one of my hand. You see
No, you
where you
I
reach.
see am now because you
I
sit
know.
down. I want to
See am.
see you.
You want what you want to see.
e talk na how do you tell
How
me.
you? Mm.
I, oh yeah, see, I beg you, we don't catch our cruise me off my camera because they come here Apollo just and I on the camera, you understand? Me, I don't decide that. Now, eh? Now, I will say me go
You
run come
see
up for
we
TikTok.
bad
First time
mouth.
when me first send request, come with a diploma. You don't think that was 2022, abi 2021. So SARS for you see me, you all put me for big screen like this way. You all first tease me. Because of what way people will tell me for TikTok. Let me go for river. Wait, be say not be me create myself. I say let's go back. You understand?
No,
You
after
stay, I
that
beg, meet yourself. I beg.
e come reach one day my the man wey I born for e come call me. He say Samuel don comot for house o since yesterday he no see am. Na I say you no see Samuel wetin happen to Samuel like me come dey try to pre ten d like say
You don't know what it's up.
because my pikin don tell me something and me need to hear for him mouth based on I know the way him brothers take maltreat me before I comot so I come like pre ten d I play around now because already me don know where my pikin dey. So I wan just hear for the man mouth. So I come say where Samuel come go? Where he come go? Wetin dey happen? Like na as the way I come take dey talk, na the man come tell me say the man wey I born for come tell me say make I no dey pre ten d follow am that wisdom don tell her everything which is the small one He don't tell her everything. I take the eye, they send the money. I take they do everything. He just say na the money where they send give my pikin. I make my pikin get that moral run comot for us because this kind thing never happen before. Now when you start to dey send the money secretly, now all these things stay happen somewhere. If you no want that, if they talk to someone, someone go dey, if he dey talk, someone go stand, go dey do like he go dey try to explain. Like if he cook the way it takes, if he food go dey house, the way they go tell leave food, he go come leave food for house. Like you call the talk say wetin they do for your children, he no dey try. How you go dey send money, then my pikin go dey rude to me. Like I can't confuse where the man they talk. It come be like say I dey send money give my pikin, make take dey rude, take dey talk to him papa anyhow. So like all that thing come dey come my brain that moment where the man come dey talk. So as the man come talk to me now, so okay, I never see Samuel, I never see here for am. I go try make I call her. So the man come tell me say make me not dey pretend. Like he can't tell me everything. Like this man I don't leak the whole secret, he don't bought the secret come out. That's okay, no problem. So now I call Samuel. I say Samuel, yeah, go ask. I don't talk to your daddy. He not go pity you again. Go ask. You understand? He said, Daddy, mommy, I will not go back to that house. They have maltreated me a lot. I mean, I don't know. Say my pikin used to for me because of it. Don't hear waiting make me leave their papa because their papa call like give they say now because say me not get money. Because of say he not get money, now make me leave him. You understand? Now what he tell the children, but he not tell the sincere. Now when I call the power of our phone, that phone was last speaker. Now he pikite here wetin happen, how I take leave, how I take come out. So all these things now so okay. Since my pikin don't decide say he no want stay with the papa again, so I can't use shame shop poison. Like I not gonna now call my papa. You understand? Now because say my pikin they come oh, I want pay for one room. I wish I pay 40,000 for 1 year. Now I pay for my papa's. So when I pay and finish, I can't renovate the house. Almost money what I take renovate that house. Almost even past by you put out 1 million. Now I take renovate that house. One room will bed, everything, carpet. I put this thing what they call her. Not be silly what they call this thing whether la PVC. So back cupboard, wardrobe, bed, many things for them. So may take their comfort POP. So may they comfort. I can't even louvers not even dey my papa herself. But now me put louvers out of 10 rooms. Now let my pikin room get louver because I can't put protector. Protector not even dey my papa. Now me put protector for my papa for the room when I repair for my pikin. So everything where I use for the house almost about 1 million. So now I can't tell my pikin say now which course you read since you don't finish your school. He can't tell me say in a computer. Now it's okay because me I not go school. I like me my children go school. So now I can't tell us okay. So now I can't tell us okay. As it could be now, I don't know how they take they do, how they take the rest. Who they mute your side now? So now I can't tell them. Say okay, what do you want to do now? Okay, right now, I don't know how they take they do. So my pikin with my husband, they talk because my pikin they speak good English. My husband still they speak good English. My husband go school. So you know, say people wey go school they must understand the quick catch up for wetin they talk. Me don't know anything. So my husband call they talk to my pikin. So as they talk to my pikin, so I don't know what happen, and my pikin come tell me say, mommy, instead of it to go school, why you know your kukuma they learn the computer? You understand? He said, now see the same. So as he got talk that, you know, so my husband called say now see true because he young junior brother na computer, but they call her for bank. You understand that they call her for everywhere for all this computer, this thing. So okay, my husband called tell her say, my husband called tell her say, okay, since e new company, we no know the place where they do computer, all this thing. Now I say make e no worry. I call my mother. Now I say, mommy, my pikin don come here and say yes. Now I say okay. Abeg make dem fair where they do computer this thing. All this thing make they go register for there. Make carry and go register. He say okay, no problem. Now we go rest. So I can't wait. My papa call say he go next week. So my mama pikin come and say he don't see where he want for the learn computer because he no know Bini. You understand? So me come surprise say he come tell me say he don't see where he want for the learn computer. If he tell my mama say mommy make carry and go where he want for go learn computer, make go show am road. Now he say my mama will tell her say he not get chance, he dey busy. So
say abeg, hold on. Bros Sars, Bros Rambo. My husband don come house, abeg. I just want talk one word. You fit give me permission?
Okay, talk. Let's say wait 1 minute, abeg.
I say na person wey be say I know. I see this small one I know.
Oga madam, park. If I don't finish, you fit call. You don't fit talk am before. So
wait, sister, wait. I want
let me go straight. Man, you to make
wait now. My husband don come house. I want sleep. I just want take permission for you to. You are the best sis. You are the best mom. You not be those kind of arrogant person. You dey get. And the God will be say they help you, they go, so you will continue to they help you. You dey get sis. Let me just one go off.
Okay, good night. Tell your husband where you are, though.
Thank you,
good night.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah, good night. I greet your husband. Bye-bye.
So then now I come. Oh shit.
Nah, she can't go learn computer school now. Yeah. I said me, even though say they distract you, me no fit forget where you for tell anybody say park where. If they not drive where they go park where, they must park where. If they park for certain road, we will go carry to if I come. We will use at it to our commode. So yeah, let's go.
Now it goes okay. Now my husband goes okay. Since my parents not get chance, since he don't know road for Bini, make you go find where you want for do the computer work. So it can't go find now. When she find the computer, it got me first register. I said 30,000. Now you want to register. I'll be 50. Sorry, not be 30,000, 60,000. Register. So my husband can't send the money based on.
Let's take that agreement of that computer. So
yes.
Don't be this person now. They mute you. They unmute yourself. What on are you? Where are you in the Giria?
I be want to tell somebody drop the person self.
Oh yeah, let's go. You can't go 60,000 for agreement. Let's go.
My husband can send now almost about whether about 100,000. I said now. Then you go use 60,000 for the register. But now every 3 months or every 2 months. If you use that 60,000, learn now stage by stage. You understand? And I said according to our notes and not go. I just talk at the way the day explain. So. When I register, my husband cost now 100,000, be 120. Then for transport, it costs transport now 500 go. Whether 500 come and not go low. I need to ask my husband that 500. No, not 500. So my husband can calculate the money for the transport going and coming. So he can calculate that for 1 month for Monday. He not be see every not be every Monday to Friday that they do. I don't know. So the cost
was important in a week.
So my husband cost send now the money.
That's 2,000 naira each week.
Yes. So we cost send now the money every day. The one way go take the shop for the place. So you can't calculate. It could be 120,000. So it can't they go. So after 2 months, he can't send us certificates. So when I mean send the certificate, when he send me the certificate, I just see am for there now comot eye for there. So now I come see say I come send am give my husband. Now my husband come say he dey impressed. Like for the first time, he don improve like this. Is the result wey dem do come out. So another stage again, because na stage by stage. So he come send out the certificate. So my husband come say okay, because it's na every 2 months, I be every 3 months. So my husband come still send another money again. This time now, me not dey send the money through my parents. You know, say me and my parents we never settle that time. But based on pikin don evolve, I have to swallow my pride. But and the money na my pikin I dey send am put for e account. So I go see send my husband go see send another money give her again, make she take go pay. So as he go see go, I don't know, I no condom. So my mama come dey complain about my pikin. You understand? He go dey complain.
Sorry, not vessel. Who they complain?
My mother so.
Okay.
He go dey complain. He go tell me say the way I take dey spoil this pikin. I know that is he not like her, but he understand me based on the pikin don pay.
Yeah.
Where I live he understand, but not be like so they take dey do things. So because my pikin dey complain about my mama well for me, he go complain about my mama. So based on me, I don't first stay with them. I know what I experience with them. So to make this easy, so I can't go dey do provision. Sometimes I just do provision like this. I'll give car all this taxi. The person go call it deliver person. They'll go use motor to go deliver am for my papa.
Or do Uber, yeah.
Yes, as Uber. So that in case if my parents not quick cook, so that he go they use that one take the old belly first. I can't give my mama 100,000 every yes for if the money. So we got the package it is they go like that. So now my mama could tell me say this school where your pikin they go. He not sure say my pikin they attend class. You understand? So my mama come dey complain because he come tell me say for the computer school they need computer. They say make they buy laptop and me sorry. Now I say okay. Me I get new laptop. Me I not sabi use laptop. I not sabi operate am. But I get am now. I just package a HP. Now be the laptop. Now I just package am. I carry am go give my key for Nigeria. Got the receipt and every you can't even forge another receipt based on the receipt where they are now Italo receipt. So because said the money to write receipt for the computer, he can't see tell me I can't see do the same thing. I can't send that money. Me because they send that money. So me I don't know say my pikin go they call my husband, they collect money. He go they call me, they collect money. You understand? So because they yes, after we don't pay all this after we don't pay all this computer, this thing finish. So I'll go collect my husband phone. May I show you all the write-up where my pikin they write. Because most of the thing not they tell me that my husband, I am my husband. Now there they talk, so that they flow with good English.
Yeah.
So now we correct. So that my mama could tell me say, you know, so this your pikin. If they go school class. You know the attack the way they see the thing. Now I say because it is now jealousy. Maybe I will not. I not they send the money through my mother before you get and my mother they say now give all these things. So I don't know what it happen. My mama come send my junior brother make he go where my pikin for the go school. Make he go ask how my pikin take they do for the school, all these things. And me, I don't know say my pikin they follow me, they play game with me. Like if you don't let the food when my mama cook, you come they condemn my mother. Like me, you come like because I say if you talk about say my mama not cook food, food where they eat remain, now they give her all this kind of thing. I can't use destination, go do provision for her. You understand? So all these things they go on like that. So as my junior brother can go ask him. So my junior brother can collect yoga number. So they can't sit down, give me. This time around, I just say my girl speak because of one of this. So now I can't call, now because okay. Now I say,
Abeg, I go the ask so, mama, yes, abeg, not talk everything finish. You go talk and finish. I greet you.
I
I
give,
respect everybody for the house. I greet, especially Osa diploma. How they call life.
so,
I don't the listing for, if I'm not mistaken, 2 days back. I did work. Now Fabrica work, I dey work. My airport, they always did my ear. This one, I dey use one ear. One that battery go
1
down.
year for Fabrica,
I'll
1 year
change
for
am.
TikTok. My people let
No,
her finish.
bro. See, I be big Nina Snero. How they come life like this? How they come life?
Yes.
And because this is our sister. As I dey work, I dey share tears. You get where?
So.
Even Osa diploma go dey life. How they come in life? I lady for comment section. I dey for comment section.
So.
They say and so.
What you was it? I'm not going to Mara going to be our going to be you want.
Oh, good man. Let me now.
You thank God say you be believing. That was when I talked. Thank God say you.
Oh, you be I be confirm kokore boy. I be kokore boy.
What you call
But I was born up and brought up. I be from Eweka. Upper. More
let's go.
So no be let's go, Oga Meche. Let's go.
Because you can't cut me off.
Wait now.
You understand? You
No,
can't
I
cut
no
me.
cut
Finish,
you.
talk
Wait
everything,
now.
everything.
I
No,
know.
your own. Now you want
Wait
talk
now.
everything finish. Now you need to talk everything finish.
Which one be say talk everything?
You know, so I
Which
free
one
time
dey
moderator
talk?
make them drop you. Or can talk everything finish. More hear everything.
I send you. I not send you, bro. I just come deliberate. I not send you,
Oh yeah,
bro.
now let's go. More talk everything finish.
I not send you, bro. If you drop
More
me and
talk
then
everything finish for your side now.
you talk some more.
Okay, don't stop now. You have more talk now.
Mama, I say,
yeah,
now God go bless you. Now God go bless you.
thank you.
Bless everybody. Since if I'm not mistaken, since yesterday, I did work. When you narrate your story, I be man,
I be like crying.
Water fall for my hand. When they shout for money, gun those kind of things. Yeah, I don't get automatic support you. As in electric bicycle they use. Now what I don't 400 my electric one they use.
May yourself
Water
and
dey
make
fall
people
for my
the beg
hand.
now.
If they even if you still make a honor, I'll still show you. Not be.
Honor.
I'll still show you.
I bet Rambo, I bet change
As
this.
you say you dey well now, as you dey well, you supposed to see something supporter. They
I
support
bet Mona
her.
not there.
Yeah,
No,
they
that
block my
we
unique
want to sell
credit.
us. We want to sell us.
Italy,
On the camera
Italy,
now, on now, make sure us now.
Italy now dey. Before
Italy
person
Bourgeois,
drink
no.
Canada. Wait now. Before
Italia
person.
Bourgeois, make you wait now.
Wait now. Before person bet 28 galaxy, they block my unique credit account. You dey craze.
You need to go inside bank.
They block my unique credit. They block my
What's your
account.
bicycle now? Since you know if you go bank, you will fit sell the bicycle.
Go sell your bicycle now. If they will buy.
This is no wait. As in now new
Okay, I need to
new
see that
bank
bicycle
woman
before you talk anything pass here now. I beg that bicycle
who
show
they
me.
who they
Say that
allow with me like this now?
Now
they
SARS
allow.
now SARS they see now okay my name now Saro but I just use app they open my backup account you understand.
Ọ̀gá yàrá ìgbò ẹ̀ lè bí náà lè bí dẹ̀ aláàmú mi so. Ọ̀sàlọ́ kẹ̀lé. Ọ̀gá àkọ́kọ́ fẹsẹ̀ fi iná nù ní àlá wa ká máa mi.
Where moderator for there Mona drop this boy.
May drop me.
They can't burn on that. So you all drip you know yeah with the Chris. Now everything that they talk for TikTok. Mugu. Come follow me chop. You chop all the whole food finish.
Leave her. Mona not verse. Essay not verse. Essay
Essay not
continue.
verse. Now essay I said talk say if you not the father side, go the mother side. Like this boy, so now that mother side for a real drink or na father side for a real drink. So that's why they use that word for people. I make beneji. Some people you do that they read something either for father side or for mother side. You know, that's so it be. I put smile for your face. I God bless you. I bet more than give us say one rose first. Let's go back to the.
Yeah, the one that is enough. I appreciate yesterday. It's enough. It's not easy. Not easy.
Because today na Saturday. Today na they drink where you understand. That's why it be like that. Today Saturday, Italian boys they can't drink, you know.
Yesterday, I what they give me, even though they not give me gift again, I'm okay. That
no, to suit your mind. I say me, as from today, me I like you. Me you the who the gist who the vibe, everything. Me not they do saga again. Me not they do saga again. Me not they cause person again. And you understand? If the person misbehave, I'll tell her what we go pay now. Now so me be. Either he pay now or he go still use latte. I bet don't do now. Small one rose that Simona give on. You're the pack and they give on. Mona pack everything. Give me that.
They do. I really love it. So I bet your visit tell me like I beg no verse like.
A boy, if you know where man, if you know that, you know even distract myself. Your mother can't even talk. Say, you can't say that to can't say person follow her to work. I be the can't say phone up back on.
So my mother can't say my junior brother may go confirm with how my pikin take dey go school. I take the.
As you give say your fee give me, and God go bless you too. Amen.
So I can't say okay. So my junior brother can't go bring the number. He can't say that. So I can't save the number. And I prayed, I'll still let my husband, many things my husband need to do this thing for me. So then I will call my husband I can't call the person. As I got call the person now, because already, may I say, I don't send money this week before I come cast. I don't already, he can't tell me say the next, after we don't send money reach 4 times. I beat 3 times. The 4th one, the thing come cast. So
very touchy, very touchy.
So
you
when
they work, because they still collect money for person, you're very touchy, that kind of things.
So now my mama, then they can't give me the number. I can't save her. I can't call the man. When I call the man, now I can say good morning, sir. He said good morning. You know who they talk? When I just see the man, don't they speak?
The big grammar.
Where I know feel rectify. That is I know. In fact, I know feel.
Make that English not gonna do you loss are fine.
Loss are fine. So now, please, I cannot pass the phone to my. It's so okay. So now they are too good. Now my husband called the house and say, "Now he step daddy to somewhere. Now mama like pack the phone give her so. So he want know how he begin take the stepson take the waka. Now the man just bust all the code. Say now only 1 times my pikin pay money, which is he pay 30,000.
That is that time where if I go, I be waiting for selling a certificate, Nabi.
Yes, and at 30,000, not be even 60,000, 30,000. So as he got talking now, because he says since when he take go, he go for 2 months. Since then, not see Samuel. He say he get what Samuel tell him.
I bet not vessel. That is so we call the lender computer. How many as in, for that stage? So how many years he can't do for that time? So
this time around, last year, last year.
How many years they die your boy this so Nana?
He did now is 21 years now. 20 years.
Now mature boy, yeah. He don't wise. He don't yeah.
He don't grow now. So now. Because the man call tell me say since almost about 4 months, Samuel never enter school. I be 5 months. He never enter class. Now my husband come get up like he can't day like he can say 6 almost how many he can say like Like my husband come ask and say, like how many times my pikin don't give you money, say they let this computer. Now that one come say na only one times. And it don't reach 4 times.
When I don't pay.
When we don't pay. Because now every two months. Every two months, yeah. So
the renewal.
Yes, now we take the renewal. Now lot of that my husband cause a shit. And we just new send and now he even tell me say the next class now 100,000 the person say he want collect. You understand? So my husband concern now 120,000, which is the 20,000 for the transport. They wish the 100,000 for the may go give you a guy for the school. So we don't already said the money. Now my husband call us. I said, sorry, sir. You say waiting. Only one time. Now my husband called tell us, say, no, it's not one time. First of all, he told me the first guy that they call the thief, you know, said that they go school. He said it's 60,000, which he did. He said the other one is 60,000, which he did. The last one, he said 100,000.
Now the matter will take interesting. You still Sarah mute, or Sarah can me one mute now. Mama talk.
So now he can say 100,000. Now we see say give, and then he said no. All this money where you say give your pikin, it not coming in. The only money where coming now 30,000. Wait till finish. He said since there your pikin no they come. He said because he shot for her, he can pursue her. For he not pursue, but he only shot for her. He said my pikin.
If he's just suspend and say okay, one day suspend, the other day come.
This is why the man.
That's how they learn what they do us now.
Yes, this is why the man suspend my pikin. Now I want also. He said my pikin come down say his mama dey abroad.
Wait. That's enough. Usas not there. If on not power tap, the fee commotors. Mona the power tap. Mona they throw one rose. So make them not commotors. If on they enjoy.
Mostly me, they throw me one rose. I beg because I mean bring say back to mostly that pikin where they are two gather there. Say no vessel. That pikin where live for that bongo. So now me ask her yesterday say now they talk. And he said no, they not they talk. Now I can't ask and say wait till happen reach like that. Now so the matter they come. Una listen what the it is, but it gets some kind co matter when they are supposed to they ask.
Bros, may you wait now, let you finish the talk now. This is her life.
You go sleep, you go sleep because this
matter. Now her life
they
talk about, so not be joke. Wait for your rose, I beg.
Thank you. So for there now my house with the reason why the man suspend my pikin be say my pikin go tell him oga say him mama dey abroad, make they gather they chop me, make they lie, make they take they chop me. You understand? So now him oga come shout for us say as it's small reach this kind thing now you dey think. Now say yeah make it come out. So now the man come dey ask me say the man come say man if you tell me the truth, he say yes. Say the environment where my pikin for abroad is very very bad. He doings for the class the way they do it mature pass he like he read here for money that I can't flash back for what papa tell me before. Say this pikin even they give 100,000, he know the belle for Na, he go there. Before me, they say that they condemn my pikin. Based on not there where my pikin they. So as he thought that way, say my pikin not they enter class. He say he never come. Apart from only 2 months. Apart from that 2 months, he not come again. Now I say, really? He say yes. My husband come verse. And as my husband they verse, I saw he cheat. Like big moreover not being born. You understand? But you see somebody where they care for you because my husband like pikin where they go school. Then you can't like the thing come piss my husband. Now my husband cut us say, dear, now I'm not saying not be your pikin. If you get money, if you self give your pikin, I'm not telling me nonsense. But for him, he not interested again. You understand? So now I can say Samuel, as he come bill, you don't disappoint me. You have to go back to your father. You understand? Me, I know they work. Now my husband they work. Now he they pay everything. Since you don't do this one now, I beg I not get what I will talk. Then my husband come provoke say, can you imagine say at the end they sell your pikin money? with that anger when my husband tell you all this thing. Like I say, if they send my pikin money, he say yes. If they send a card, like if you send my pikin, like you go take my, like I say, you they send my pikin money, then me see they send her money. He said, now he tell her, say me no, they let me, they know. You understand? And my boss man send her money a week like this, and like recharge card like this. My pikin go still call me. He go still ask me. When my husband call hear that thing, he can show me all the chat. Say he send my pikin almost about 10,000, like 10 euro card for year. You know, say for year he can recharge his phone. He never reach a week. My pikin write my husband again. Say me he recharge card don't finish. Make he send another one. You understand? All these things, like you go they collect for two sides, and you go they let's say my mama they not they give her food. The food of day first day, my mama go give her. Then the food where the new cook, you go they give my junior sister. Then you go come give her food of day first day. But me, I don't know so my pikin they do that thing based on if provision just still finish, may renew all these things. So my husband can't provoke. So I can't call my mama. When I call my mama, I say, Mommy, I say, what will happen? This pikin, I want me to go back to your papa. I not fit. So my mama can't try to beg for him. My mama, no, not read that one. Because they beg because don't come when my husband here for this thing. Now my husband can't call my pikin. My husband can't ask and say, do you go to school yesterday? My pikin say yes. He go school yesterday. Now I can't provoke. Say, are you okay? We just they call your organ finish. Nah. Say almost 4 months. You never enter class. Somewhere, all this money what will they send for you? What till you use and do? That one say I spend it. That's the only thing where they talk. No, never reach that part. Now my husband can say, what did you spend that put? Because December time, he send you 80,000 for Christmas. Because my husband send her 80,000 for Christmas. This pikin get my call me say, the 80,000 when my husband said give her, he not rich. Say Christmas clothes where he buy. Now, Christmas clothes where he buy, and the money not rich, still there. Especially say, yeah, call your papa. You understand? Call your papa. Since my husband, I call you like that. I call tell her say, since when your papa take born you, your papa don't cut 80,000 give you. Say take go buy this. Pikin will not born, papa will not born you. You understand? You see, get Messi come meet me again. Say, make me see send you money. Say money where my husband send. It could be like say we could be making machine all this thing. Now so yeah, may come go meet papa. I don't see where the thing for they come. So my mama call the beg. As my mama come beg, my mama call me. Because my mama know me say, me, if I say no. No. No matter how you go beg, I don't stand. So as my mama call beg me, he says I no agree. One day call me, say he don't call me. He say you want to talk to my husband. Because me, my husband not they give the chance for that one. Like they never even my husband, you don't tell when they don't hear my husband because my husband I check my husband sick car, like I don't want anything family, I don't need that. So say you want to talk to my husband. Now say I hope there's no problem. Say you know if you talk to my husband, which is my mother, because you know if you talk to my in-law, now say okay, no problem. He not there as if he come back for work. Really. When my husband come back for work, I never bother to tell my husband because that kind talking like my mama, my husband they talk. I know they put that chance for them. So I cause he said the evening time call me. He said, where your husband? You want to talk to my husband? Now you cook my pass phone for my husband. As I pass phone for my husband, my husband call talk. So I see my husband call that my husband calls okay. Make him think about him first. Make him think about him. So as I said to the my mama can say, thank you, take already. Now I can say, now think want think about her. Now you just talk about my mama, my husband just make you think about her. My mama can say, thank you, my in-law. Now sir, make you never thank him. He said, make you think about him. So there is no need for thanking. So already me already crossed my mind. wetin the pikin don do, the thing vex me. So now I come rest. As after 2 weeks, my mama come sick call again. After 1 week, my mama come sick call already. I don already made my mind. I say, you no call me again. Wetin happen? Me want talk to my husband. I say, mommy, I don't make my decision. Make she dey go back to this thing. Since we dey ask her, this money wey we give her, so wetin you use the money do? The only thing wey my pikin dey talk, I spend it like with moral. Okay, my husband say, okay, good affair, you spend it. How you take spend the money? Now my husband come ask her, say, during the time when you say they collect money for our hand, where you dey go? Because your oga say you know they come school. Now during the time when you say they collect money for our hand, so where you dey go? He say you go dey play. He say they go fit go dey play ball. He go carry laptop come up for us. If he reach out where he go change cloth, stay for feed. Now then my mama for notice say my pikin not dey go school because coming back his body go come dey rough for body. So now there my mama come notice all these things. Now I say, whoa, then you go collect money for our hand. You go tell us say you dey go school. Then you go, how you take no Bini? Bini where you just new enter. You no even know Bini. Then you don't know where they for the play ball. We can't talk am, we can't rest. So me, I don't know, say money when me they give my pikin because again when I don't repair a room finish, my pikin cost make a buy am. What did they call am? PS. What did they call that PS? When they take the play game.
That PS, all those PS5, all those
But so that cause say now my husband say make I not try am. If I bet that PS, he no go concentrate for school. So now cause say no, I not go buy am for you. No, I not go buy am. So it be like I don't know what it can happen, and because I not there Nigeria with them. So it could be like say that PS, my junior sis brother, come bring PS, come. That PS be like speaker. The thing talk come off for ground. So I don't know where my junior brother for bring that PS come. So he come put that for his house that they play they already my papa called tell me say that PS they don't need to dey play for this house. Because if my pikin just concentrate for that PS, he know they know anything again. So it be like say my pikin can't carry the PS, my papa can't seize that PS, but now my junior brother now I bring that PS come house. You understand? So my daddy come, my papa can't seize the PS. He can't go put that for his eye, he long gauge, he can't zip am. So when my papa can't come back, I don't know how the thing happen. When my papa can't come back, my papa can't see and say, that PS, when my papa put for inside bag, he don't lost. They don't dismiss the PS, come on for inside my papa room. So my papa come they ask, who carry this PS? Who carry me? Say now just one kind small PS. Me, I don't know, say now one big speaker. Where you're big, where now you be. So, as they call the fed the thing, they go ask my junior ones where they ask. My junior one say not be the carrier. They go ask my pikin. My pikin say not be in carrier. So now my papa call say they need to swear. Because my papa gets, I don't know what they say he gets, like a guy take all the thing. Now they call say, okay, make they can't swear. Like my papa call use and threatening or not be saying me the thing. It be like maybe they will talk truth when they see that thing. So my papa can use my junior sisters. He can use the taste swear. That one cause if now he carry the PS, he can't swear. The other one can't swear. The cause my pikin can't swear. My pikin can say before he swear, he need to call his mother first. So now my mama now the cause okay, call your mother. Now they can't recall me. As he call me, now my pikin can tell me say something lost. The thing lost that they accuse me say now they can now my papa come shout for there say they not accuse you. You say not be you carry this one. Everybody does so. Make you swear. You say you want call your mama. Now I ask my pikin. You carry her He said, no. You sure? He said, no. I say, I swear. Because I not there with. I not there with there. Now I say, if you know say you not carry on, oh yeah, swear. He said, okay. So my pikin can swear. As he swear, me can come off here for there. So that thing not go well with my mother. So me as I can swear, the matter can settle. So I don't know say the thing not go well with my mother. That my mother know say na my pikin na I carry that PS. And I asked my after I don't swear finish, I say call my pikin for about. You sure say na you carry this PS? He said not be him. He said not be him. I said okay. Since he does swear, you go your room because he get in your room. So we can't rest. It never reached 30 minutes. My mama call me, my papa call me for video call. He say, who get this room? Now I say, my pikin get the room. He can't open curtain. He say, see where now your pikin carry the PS. He can't go hide down back of bed. Where near window, he can't go hide down for there. Like when my papa just show me, the thing just dey in room back evidence was like I just pour like this. Like now I said daddy they need to return that course. He said not be recourse. He is threatening them. Why he goes cause like you like he can say no not be real like now your threat make the talk like I was like whoa. Now cause the thing big. Not be even small one, I even big one. Big I say, how you think say you fit take carry this thing come up for inside this house? Where they no go no. Like I was like, I just tell I say I'm very disappointed. So now you say your papa take train you. I know say Lagos is very rough. When mother not there, I understand, but as far as I don't take care of you, you don't have to do these things. If they say I'm sorry, man, I say I'm very disappointed in you. Now, so for this, you go eat from my mama house without no provision. I don't go buy any provision as my own punishment to her. Because I only do provision for her if you finish. So I can't tell her say I not go do until all this computer issue and everything can occur. Because many things when the boy they do, I just they do the complain. My mama go they complain, he go they complain, my mama go they complain. Come be like say, my pikin they complain, my mama they complain. Even though say yes, my mother is not too nice to me like that. At least I cannot just bring my mother down for where my pikin they say if my mama can't talk, my pikin go see they explain all these things. So I know I put that like the thing was like before all this kata of give her money go school, you know just do it. Where you put the money, I spend it. Like say na papa, biological papa is the turtle. You know, we know say you spend this money. What do you use the money for? We want to know the part. That is the like all this money, 100,000, 60,000, where you say they go school, like both the transport, both the feeding money, what would they sell for you? I know say you spend the money, we will forgive you, we will give you second chance. But we want to know where the money they pass. I spend it. Now my husband say, ma, I'm sorry. Since he not can talk, he say he spend that, he not want to talk the particular thing where he spend the money put, ma have nothing to say. So my mama they try to like mo forget the matter, mo could give her a second chance, make it. And I say lie, he must talk what he is do. Whether we they send her the money, if they send her go they give it papa, I don't know. For dear now my mama come tell me say, it be like say he get girlfriend, get one girl where they call for now. And I say, whoa! And anytime I take come my pikin, this sound of football, this noisy place, noisy this thing, football, this thing, you go they show, like you go they make, I mean, I don't even know, say, see, they play game, all these things, the thing just like, whoa. So I said, this pikin wants to bring me down. Any pikin will go bring me down. It go down. Not be me. The one where I don't fair do, a fisher will never rise the second time. They don't go use pikin, take do me, say, I can't go down again. Now I say, Simon, nothing will happen. Since you no wan talk wetin you use all this money do, I spend it. Then my husband say you cannot say you spend it because he send you money December for even my mama even shock say una say una pikin 8,000 naira 8,000 for Christmas make take buy Christmas clothes. He say yeah. He say and my pikin no even talk all these things. Now we all rest. Now I tell her, I say, mommy, I not get second chance for this pikin. Since I be mama, he now open my thought, say, see where he spend the money put, or see where he put the money put, may they go meet it. Now I tell her, I say, mommy, the 100,000 where they send, cause they give you monthly for my pikin, I not go send again. Wanna let this pikin go meet it, papa. Now I don't take my decision. Now we call it 80K, not be 8,000.
8,000 naira, not be 8,000 naira. 80,000.
80,000, not be 8,000. So he say he spend down. So now so we all say I no agree. So my mama tried to beg. Now because say, oh, now because of the 100,000 wey me they give you every month. Now you don't want me my pikin go back to your papa. Now I say I know they please people. I can't displease myself. Now me get my money. Now me know where you go. May you go meet your papa. Anything we want to do for your papa. So I thought say as he come out for there, you go like things go change. But you don't do with your mama. Your mama there abroad. Your mama will send that money. No, me I don't know say now you want even come and scrape all my hair finish. Come off from my head. Now I say that you can't go meet your papa. So I call rest. Now I call tell my mama say so date like this. I go send money con there. I go send you 200, mommy. May you know say almost about 2 months. I be 1 month. Now another 1 month I don't send money give her for the wait till they stay with her. Now I say I will send 300,000 because you take 200. I will give you 200. Then you give her money. May take transport. May go meet your papa. I can't tell my papa. Now my papa I tell that thing. He goes so okay. I can't tell her like that. I can't rest. So when the date come reach, I can't call my pikin. I say you don't ready. I want me you can't go meet your papa. Now my pikin, the way I don't know my pikin your share. He say mechanic. Whoa. Now say my papa and my mama they don't poison the pikin based on that 100,000 when I they say give them. I know say na that one na be the problem. Like if this pikin don't come out, this money no go they come. Everybody they consider themselves, they not consider me. So now I tell her, as my pikin just thought that word, say grandma say I should not go. I should not go anywhere. And he will go and put me in mechanic. He want to go and register me in mechanic. Since you don't want to help me again, for now henceforth, since you are not helping me again, you don't have any right over me. Really? He said yes. Now I had the call. Now I call my papa. As I call my papa, now I say, Daddy, I say me Samuel can go in papa house. See what is Samuel talk. My papa won't reply me. He say you can force a child to the river. You cannot force it to drink water. Whoa. I say, okay, I don't see the game. Now I say, I thought I say, I don't still change. My own pikin. Now I want they tell us, okay, now I say, okay. No problem. I don't dash you the pikin. Since I can force a child to the river, no, I cannot. That you can force a child to the river. I cannot force it to drink water. That parable where my papa you made from now. So this family will never change. That is what I say. So all this way, they don't know say my beauty they go on because I want even use that to look the whether they don't still change upon everything where they don't see do me because my ass is about to round up so that I know if you open house say my parents not dead dey that place. So see wetin they do, like because of peanut wey dey say 100,000, una call and sit spoil everything. Now I just believe that the next thing I just do, I just block everybody. So I still call my pikin again. Somewhere, ready, go meet your papa. If you dey where your papa there, I go the same money. Come. So that me take they do what they do, all these things. He said, no, grandma said I should not go. Then I call the hear my mama background for there. Say, you not do the one way pass this one. You not do this one. You the hear my mama background. I'm not picking properly pick that call. Me I the hear my mother. Like the way my mother, he said, mama, grandma is the support of me. Grandma is the support of me. So you can go. I'm an adult. I can take care of myself. That's okay. As you talk at me, I not distress myself. Now I say, whoa, these people, why I see say that they don't change. Because I not let them know, say, something is about to happen, they go there. Because I just okay, but I still give the second chance. Maybe they don't change all this kind of thing. So when they don't do that appearing things to me like this, whoa, now I just block all of them. Both my pikin, both my papa, both my mama, I block everybody. Say, so now game all of now. Now just see they pretend like when I don't change, I don't know, so I never change. So now say I just block all of them. My mama can say, my mama they call the fee say, as now my pikin, I no get that mad. Like I can't turn back. No way you don't know, say my back. The good side of me. Devil don't turn on John Grant. Now the beast now it come put for my body. So my mother got the feel say, like as a mother, as now my pikin, I know fear about that. I don't know so that one I go over was already my pikin don't tell me what I'm not supposed to finish. So my mama come say and say 1 month no respond, and my mama now my pikin no come know say now money where me they send they give my mama where they take care of her. Or now they take the prepare now they take respect like the prepare you don't know. But when immediately the money stop, I not come there. So I can't reach after 2 months because I not got even the thought to the again. I not even put here for that. I not got even the put here for the again. So I can't reach 2 months. My pikin call write me, mommy, I am sorry. Mommy, please forgive me. I am sorry. Ever since that, I don't know that if I send money to my parents, that is how they look me. They will be respecting me. They will be pampering me. Since almost 2 months, where I not cutting the same money, they call they maltreat me. I know even my this one the time I record the call they said that give me. That's how I called the listen to the grandma. Mommy, I'm sorry. This and this. Now I call the looker. Now I call tell her say I know if I respond. When I use pidgin English, I not go school. I don't go back to my I'm in Lagos now. I'm in Lagos now. And with my daddy in Lagos, the thing that you promised me that if I reach Lagos, you will be sending me money. Now I'm in Lagos now. I'm with my father. Now I can say no, I will never forgive you. I can't tell her say no. Because he say I serious for the matter. Me, I don't know say my pikin with my parents, I don't know which matter they get. It be like say my pikin shook hand for my parents' eye. My pikin, I wish my papa listened to me. That room. Can you imagine before my papa come back from work, before my mama come back from market, my pikin come pull what did they call her? Protector. The louvers I put for here, I don't call this aboki, make they come comot all of them. He said everything. God, like Deja. He said everything. Before he pull everything, I let the POP now remain to pull. When I hear the matter, I burst laugh. I laugh, I say, good. And I treat now, you cannot force a child to the river and force it to drink water. It don't happen to them. My pikin not tell me all this thing. You not tell me all this thing where you don't go back to Lagos. The only thing will tell me, since that 2 months when I got the same money, how my parents still maltreat her, how they tell do this one, he never tell me the own side of anything. I can't rest. So already me, I not the talk to my parents again. As my pikin just tell me that word, then now I now say I want to put us. I can't send message to all my daddy brothers. Now my papa brothers, now their mouth they for my parents for come here say I want to put us. Then my papa they want try to make settlement with me again. I call them off. They not they pretend follow me again. You understand? That is the reason why when I open the house, I don't bring me they go. I be want give them the second chance before, but the way the court do like because of 100,000, you dey allow my pikin they talk to me anyhow. That is if they use the violent way. I can't submit say okay, no problem. No say now what we talk is final. So my pikin can say everything. So my pikin consider like they beg me. I'm about to forgive him to give him second chance since he don't go back to his papa. Then I come here waiting they say he do for my papa ass. Money, I almost about 50,000 I take do protector. Everything. Like when I come here and say my pikin pull everything, both the livers, no, but the only thing we remain for that room now let bed. Wardrobe, everything was there. I said, what? I said, like, money what I spend for that. I was like, this, they put everything now. Cause this speaking, no, I can't pretend. Poppy say, he go tell me. Poppy say, he go tell me, say, maybe not costing money to go back to the Lagos. He nothing, he just they condemn my parents, all these things. Like when we can't get the matter, now say, so thing like this you do when I hit the teeth for it come quiet. Now say you be bad picking. For you to pull all these things where they my papa ask, you sell her, you are a bad child. Then I will never forgive you and don't call this number again. The next thing where they hear, my pikin just send me voice no. He said, me will see. I will regret all this thing where I talk. I go regret her. And I said, whoa, that means you be pretend come before like you won't come back because of the money where you they benefit for me. He said, me go regret. I said, okay, we will see who will regret between me and you. Now he told me, say, he don't already get them a DJ Goat. I don't know how DJ Goats, how they take get connection. I don't want to still know. You understand me? So that regret when he thought say I go regret. So already he get what it happen. Whether now Frank he can't do donation, donation for what is that they call this guy? Oh, later update. Man, no, it's not anybody for that platform. Later update. You understand? So later update. Vera children. People come they donate for her for Frank platform. As they donate for Frank platform, so me go come out for my own live video, come they thank people, say, I thank you for donation. Well, now do donation for Vera children. So my pikin come they wash me for there. So my pikin go call me. He come say, mommy, are they donating for social media? And I say, yes, somebody is looking for help. So he say, now my pikin come tell me, say, is that how they do it? He say, yes, like people where they not get papa, maybe they get stress, all this thing. Me, I don't know, say that word when me tell her, he put her for mad. So as he tell me that word, say, me go regret her. Now so we shall see who go regret her. Before I know, DJ Goat just come inside. Hey, if you want to talk, if people are not worry, my Samuel, I will donate for you. People will donate for you. Or I will take it to a Nogia platform. I will take it to a Don Priest platform. They will donate for you so that make it take talk. You understand me? So that make it take talk. Now, so this one I be the regret. When you say I go regret, I say this picky, you just a play. Wait we don't see for life. Now you want tell me say, no, so okay, now this see, so one see. Let's see how we go take play. Then, the next thing, DJ go carry my pikin come out, make God they insult me. As they insult me, the pikin not insult me. Then they tell my pikin make they insult me. So we get quarrel. So then they want make my pikin insult me, make the thing they pay me. I don't know, waiting I don't see for life. It don't pay. So now my pikin can say, I will not insult my mom, but I will insult my mom husband. Man, when me not get money, I see, you say just insult me. That say you is traumat, go give my husband. So the pikin got say he not go insult me. Say he go insult my husband. How it because of say he want to get money. As he they do, now they go cut say, for my export, I will be your goddaughter. I will be your father. I will be your godfather. For my export, anything where you want, I will come and be doing it. With the ego they do for her, and now your godfather for now export. I just look there. Hey, Bieka. Then, as he got talker, after they don't donate for a finish, anything, not be said the DJ go, they send the money always when me they do. Anytime when you want use my picky content they against me, he go come send the money. They don't cause carry a come outside, they'll come the record down, all this kind of thing. Then to the extent they go tell my pikin, make go record my papa come. Because if I say they call my papa not like my papa don't know say na social media things. Because with the one we do for the other platform, people quarrel with her. So he can't they like to avoid. They say I say my papa not respond. They go say my pikin, make go record my papa come. After my pikin don't go back to Lagos, finish so now so my pikin call carry phone, call my papa. He call that one call tell her say, and my mommy is insulting me on social media. My papa and my mama, they come see poor. Come outside. That one don't record them. He said, "I'll go get them." You see how they do all these things. So when the woman they tell say if they pay money, he never pay now last year, yeah. Not let me say with like I did lack to take care of my pikin. I want discipline for what he do, but the go call use that they against me. But for me, not they against me because I'm living well. He will say they feed my pikin and a better person. You understand? So that is the reason why it say now if they feed my pikin. I say you choose to do it. You send her money, they send her money. Tell they like make the cut they insult me. For your man, they say do me anything. He never I they move to her. You understand? So now I got busy. Did that so? Once anytime I cause it do saga with them, they'll come go quick go send my pikin money again. Anytime I cause it say, you know what? Go send my pikin money. I think maybe not they make math. You know what? Go send them because nobody send you. Now you choose to do it because you want that the day against me. I mean I not send you now. So all this way, my pikin come they call. Then they call, I not they pick, I not go lie now. Anything where has moreover. Hey, that is that one. The next thing, now so, and I like the way Don Prince take ask the man where I born for, and I like the way they ask a question. And that's the way Don Prince do. He don't say he favor me. So when Don Prince come there live, they don't say saga. If saga, they'll call the poor Maggie, the one like, make they don't bring me down. They don't say there's a favor me. So when Don Prince they live video, he say, I bet man they donate, or man I just they donate, so that may Papa Samuel, which is the man where I born for, make it talk. God was so kind that guy can talk. As the man where I born for, he called the talk. Now the man called they say, yes, I say now wife material. I get the video. Now live video for that dog priest. Live video if you talk. He said, yes, I say now wife material. But he too get problem to the fight. Now be the problem where I get. Because he talk and say, now that fight, where me the fight, now he and his brothers take planner, take pursue me. And the man never told me, say, now yeah, his brother planner. I wish he would tell me, I don't know. Like God know why he not tell me. He only tell me, say, this not good, okay. Now they take carry picky from my hand. You sense they collect the my picky. So DJ Gold, I said DJ Gold, Don Prince come dey ask the man wey me born for. Say, say don't say your junior brothers they sleep with am. I no be like so me take talk am o. I only thought say because the other one see my breast, the other one cross me because we dey forbid. You know say wetin dey forbid if the thing come to your, you go shout. You go be like saying I want can beat him. I don't know say na normal thing. So the priest called the tell her say, say they talk out for a live video say your junior brother sleep with you. Now that one cut us say na lie. My junior brother not sleep with them because they forbid them. The guy can't explain how the way me take explain her for yesterday. Now so the man sit explain her. Now them my husband for come they look me say. Some people they go the date, they go lie for their story. Say, like say my baby papa did this one, like say my baby papa, and some are lie. But this your own. I believe it self. Waiting me not even know self. Now that day for Don Priest platform, now me for year and say, now in and you know when I hear that word, that it trigger me. Like because I talk and say, I want to go tell pastor, which is Pastor Dan, see what they do me when I did Bini. Now that confession I want go make. I never make am. I only talk out of anger. I don't know some of the dog planner where they send me go back to Benin. So when we come hear her for Don Priest platform, now I come they cry. Wetin make me cry? Not be another thing. Say if I know say now that planner may they take pursue me, till death do me part. One damn I not go send give my children talk because moreover now man now they take off picking. So now people call they advise me say, see DJ go say you want big godfather, may your big godfather. Moreover, Pikin don't reach 20 years. He's supposed to do for himself. Now say anything we have to do with this family, with that Pikin, with the father, I'm not interested. The small one where they inside, which is wisdom, where they inside. The day where that one call me, now I tell her say my Pikin, your papa say na me deceive your senior brother, which is Samuel, may take run comot. I don't want me deceive you, may you run. If you don't grow, you don't marry, you don't deal on your own, I will come for you. But for now, no, na papa take care of for now. That is I just cut the off.